Hello everyone. Today I want to be talking about PHP. Now you might be wondering, what is PHP and what does it have to do with me? But truthfully, whether you like it or not, you've actually used PHP before. PHP is mainly used to develop websites. The first famous websites that use PHP, like Yahoo, Wikipedia, Flickr, WordPress, and even Facebook. There's even more on top of that. Facebook uses PHP front end. Now you might be wondering, well, what's front end? If you're not a developer or an administrator for the website, you're probably using the website front end. This is basically like if you opened up your browser and you typed in www.yahoo.com and whatever you see, that's basically going to be your front end. Now you're probably wondering, well, if there's a front end, there's probably a back end too, right? You're right. That is where all the servers and databases are kept. You might be wondering, well, what's a server and a database? Well, a server is basically just a computer that holds databases, and database holds information for the website. This is things like news articles or pictures, videos. It could be anything. You just store it on that database, and that's where all the information is kept. Well, you're probably wondering, well, if the information's on this side, and your front end's over here with all the colors and styling, make everything look pretty, how do you put them together? That's where PHP comes in. PHP is a language that helps you get all of the information, like pictures, news articles, could be anything, onto the actual website for people to see. That's the magic. If you think of it like a sandwich, PHP grabs the stuff from this end, pushes together, and you have a great sandwich. Hello, today I want to be talking to you about PHP. Now, PHP is a quick and easy to use server-side scripting languages for web development and general use. PHP is also object-oriented, so all your things with parent-child hierarchical designs, as well as polymorphism and many other things that you can find in other object-oriented programming languages, are also found in PHP. Now, PHP has a large community and is very widely used. It's very popular. Most problems faced by web developers have pre-existing solutions, so you don't have to go very far to find a problem that you have. You don't have to work very hard around it because most likely you will find a solution online. Now, PHP is interpreted, which means that it has a very fast build cycle. Although if you want extra speed, you can add a C compiler with it, or you can build your own if you're not comfortable with what you find online. Now, PHP also has garbage collectors similar to Java, which means that you don't have to clean up your memory behind you as you code along. Now, PHP has extensive databases, including SQLite in its standard library, which means that you don't have to have any third-party plugins to go with things like popular MySQL database. And PHP also has a very shallow learning curve, which means you can do simple tasks very easily, almost in minutes. And you can have something like your hello world in a .php file extension anywhere in your Apache server. All you have to do is point your web browser to that PHP extension file, and you're good to go. You don't have to do any configuring, you don't have to do any compiling, things like that. It's already set and good to go. Now, PHP might be wondering, well, why don't I just go Ruby on Rails or something like that? Well, the thing is, PHP is very flexible, and that's what makes it so popular. It's grown so much over the years that people want to use it over something else. With that said, PHP is very easy and a great place to start with your web development process. Thank you.